Question 5. The inverse function h inverse x is defined by this. Find hx. Okay, so normally they gave us the function like hx and then they asked us to find the inverse. Now they gave us the inverse, they want us to find the function. Okay, the steps are similar. Okay, the first step is always letting the question, in this case the question is hx. You let the question equals to y. If the question asks you to find h inverse x, you let h inverse x equals to y lah. Okay, so if hx equals to y, h we bring there will become h inverse y equals to x. Okay, so if this is h inverse x is 2 over 3 minus x, h inverse y will be 2 over 3 minus y equals to x. And then you want to find hx, so you must find y. So how to make y the subject? You have to use this equation and you have to cross multiply, making y the subject lah. Okay, so what we do is we swap. This one will go up, the x will come down. So 2 over x equals to 3 minus y. Then we make y the subject. So negative y we bring there, 2 over x we bring here. So y equals to 3 minus 2 over x. Now we've got y, therefore we can write this as hx. 3 minus 2 over x. So this is our answer. If you want to make the whole thing into one single fraction, also can. Okay, so what we do, this one is 3 over 1, right? So top and bottom we times with x. So it will become 3x minus 2 over x. Okay, don't forget to write the conditions. If your denominator has x, your denominator cannot be 0. Okay, therefore x cannot be 0. Okay, this will be our complete answer. Right, if you want to leave it like this, just at this stage, also can. So this will become 3 minus 2 over x, but don't forget your condition lah, x cannot be 0 as well. Okay, this one also complete answer. Right, so let's rewrite our function here. Hx is 3x minus 2 over x. Now we delete all this. Okay, let's do b. The values of x such that hx is 2. So now hx is 2. So hx we found just now, 3x minus 2 over x equals to 2. This one we times there, 3x minus 2 equals to 2x. 2x we bring over this side, 3x minus 2x is 2. Okay, negative 2 being there, positive 2. Therefore x is just 2. Oh wait, they said values of x. I think this is a typo. Should be value of x. Okay, there's only one value of x. Right, that's it.